the thing that I want to share with you guys is to understand how data is put together in the real estate industry. There are what are referred to as leading indicators and what are referred to as lagging indicators. The media, for the most part, reports lagging indicators. They are reporting old ass data that is super irrelevant to what's happening in the market today. A prime example would be, even as realtors, this chart is our May report. This is telling us what closed in the month of May. Well, if it closed in the month of May, what month did it go pending? It went pending in April or maybe even March. But here we are on June 21st looking at this data. So the data that you're looking at when you're looking at things that are closed is stuff that's going to be 2, 3, 4+ months behind what's actually happening in the market today. And so I'm going to go just to the total, because that's the one that I use most commonly. Blow this up a little bit. So things on here, anything that has to do with like the number of closed sales or median sales price, average sales price, volume of closed sales, percentage of original price received, all of this data in here is all lagging indicators, because you don't know how many homes closed in May until May is done, right? And if it closed in May, it went pending in March or April. You don't know what the median sales price is of homes that closed in May until May is done. You don't know the average sales price until May is done. You don't know the volume of closed sales until May is done. You don't know the sales price until May is done. So you can't figure out that ratio. So all of this data that's in here is super outdated data. These are lagging indicators. These are not relevant to what's happening in the market today. This is where the market was at in March and April. And a good testament to that is look at what the sales to list price ratio is. It's 105%. We know damn well that things aren't selling on average for 5% above list today. But this is the data, and this is the data that the media tends to report. So the media is going to report stuff like, oh, homes are selling for 5% above list price, when that's super inaccurate. They were selling for 5% above list price in March and April. Those just happened to close in May, and now we're looking at the data in June. So those are all lagging indicators and are not the most reliable pieces of data. Things that are more reliable are new listings. At the end of May, we know how many new listings hit the market in the month of May. That's a lot more of a leading indicator, right? That's more relevant. It's more timely data, which is more of a leading indicator. Same thing with pending. We know how many homes went pending in the month of May as soon as May is done. So new listings and pendings are good leading indicators. Days on market, we know we can look at everything that went pending in June. How many days on market was it? And we can look at supply. At the end of May, what was the supply of homes for sale? Those are all more of the leading indicators. So if we're playing along here and you're writing notes, new listings, pending sales, days on market, homes for sale, month supply are all leading indicators. Closed sales, median sales price, average sales price, volume of closed sales, percentage of original price received are all lagging indicators.